Okay, today we're going to learn how to add card and image content to your WebSpark 2 website. The first thing you'll want to do is sign into your site, and after signing in you should see these tabs up here. If you don't, contact your web administrator and they need to give you access to administer your site. Second thing you'll do is navigate to the page you want to add the card image content to. Let's go ahead and go to this page here, sure. And then we want to go to layout. So then select where you'd like to add your block to. I'm going to go ahead and add the block right down here at the bottom. After clicking add block, you'll see all these links here. Don't click on these. For WebSpark 2, you want to click create content block. All of our custom WebSpark blocks are inside of this link here, and you'll see a nice little menu here where you can select whatever block you want. In our case, we want this card image and content block, but you will see there's other card options available with different designs. You might experiment with those and see what works best for you. At the top here, we're going to add a title first, and if you want to display the title, then you check this box. I'm not going to. And then the second thing is you'll add a heading up top here, and you can adjust the heading color here. There's a couple options that are available. I'm going to leave it as default, and let's add an image to this card image content block. I'm going to go ahead and select images and see what we have available. I like this meeting one. Let's insert that meeting image. And down here we can add some text. I'm going to paste in some of this, standard lorem ipsum text, but this would be the text displayed over your image or below your image, I believe. And then we can select the text color if you need to adjust the color of the text above. Next, we're going to add a card image. So we'll see what that looks like later, but let's go ahead and find an image to add. Well, since I don't see what I like here, I'm going to choose one off my computer. Let's go ahead and pick this nature image here. Whenever you insert a new image, you want to add some alternate text that helps with accessibility for screen readers. So this is, I don't know, green forest with archway. I'll just say, how about ancient green forest with archway? Click save and insert. So that drops that image in there. And now we've got this second heading. Let's go ahead and add second heading so we can differentiate the two. And then we'll throw, how about we'll throw a little bit of lorem ipsum in here, not a lot. Let's do that. And if you want a call to action like a link in there, you would add the call to action here. Click on that and it'll give you an option to enter a URL, some link text. Let's go ahead and do this just to see what it looks like, because I'm curious. Let's make the link to Google, and the link text will say Google. The target is, we'll just make it the current window. That's like if you want, this is if you want it to open up a new window when you click the link or use the existing window. I'll do the style gold, but you see you have a couple options here. You could add another call to action. I'm not going to do that. One's enough for me. So I'm going to go ahead and click add block. Actually, before I do that, if you expand these appearance settings, if you need to edit the anchor settings here and add in anchors, then this is where you do that. Or if you want to drop a little bit of space above or below, this is where you do that as well. I'll add a little space. Click add block. Okay, here's our new block. New custom block. You'll see here's the heading, and here's the first lorem ipsum text I put in, and here's the second heading and my little bit of lorem ipsum here below as well. And then here's my fancy call to action. If you like what you see, then you can go ahead and click the Save Layout button down here, and that saves it to your site. It took a little moment to load there. I might look into the size of this image then. If this image is too large, then perhaps it can be reduced in file size. All right, let's say now we need to edit that block. Here's the block. We're going to scroll back up and click the Layout tab again. That gets us in here. And then you'll see when you hover over this block, there's a little pencil icon. You can click here to remove the block completely, move it, or click the Configure button, and Configure will get you back into this edit window here. You can remove this image and add your smaller image. Let's go ahead and insert this image here. It's a magical portal, we'll call it. Insert that. And once you're happy with your changes, then you click the Update button, preview them over here, and then if you're ready to go live, then click the Save Layout button. And there you go. Let's go ahead and practice that remove option. So I'm going to remove that block completely. And we get into Layout, click the pencil again, and remove block. Once you're satisfied, click the Save Layout button, and now we're back where we started. If you like this video and you want to see any others, you can head over to webservices.asu.edu, click on Resources and Video Tutorials. If you're not seeing a video here that you'd like, hit us up at Slack or click the Get Help button up here at the top.